Days after a key accused in the case of violence in West Bengal allegedly died by suicide in CBI custody, the state police has filed a murder case against the officials of the Central Probe Agency. Lalon Sheikh, one of the main accused in the violence that occurred in Bogtui village of Bengal's Birbhum district earlier this year, allegedly died by suicide in CBI custody on Monday. The FIR registered by the cops named senior officials of the CBI for what is called murder of the accused. Sources say the agency will be challenging the FIR in the High Court.
I condemn the incident, and if CBI is so smart, why he is dead, and it is inside the custody, so they have to take the details. I think his wife lost the FIR, and we will also raise the issue.
Saurabh Gupta is now joining us with more details on this. Saurabh, take us through briefly this case, and now what are we expecting here? Because we just heard Mamata Banerjee also saying that the government may also file a case here.
Well, this is, of course, to do with the main accused in the Bogtui murders case. Now, what is the Bogtui murders case? In March this year, a Trinamool leader was killed, and in retaliation for that, a mob had set some houses on fire, in which 10 people were burned to death, mostly women and children. Lalon Sheikh, the main accused in that case of the mob setting houses on fire, Lalon Sheikh is believed to have led that mob, and he, after the incident, went underground. He was evading arrest, and the police finally managed to arrest him in December this year. Now, after he was brought to West Bengal after being arrested from a hideout in Jharkhand, he was sent to CBI custody. But on Monday evening, the CBI informed the local police that Lalon Sheikh had allegedly died by suicide. Now, in the context of Lalon Sheikh's death, the family had said, of Lalon Sheikh's family had said that, look, this was, they believe there was foul play. They registered a complaint with the Rampurhat police station. Based on the complaint filed at the Rampurhat police station, the CBI, the Birbhum police, district police, after receiving that complaint, has filed an FIR against some CBI officers. These are believed to be senior CBI officers as well. Now, in this case, obviously, what we are expecting is that the CBI will move the High Court. But this was a very important case. The case had generated a lot of headlines in March. People were burnt alive. And the main accused was arrested finally after 8 months. But he dies in custody. Now, this impacts the case as well. Because this will obviously, when a main accused dies, when the case is being strung together by an agency based on an investigation, it affects the case as well. But the thing is that he died allegedly by hanging. The CBI told the police that. The local police then said that they would investigate it as an unnatural death case. After the receipt of the complaint from the family, the police registered this FIR. Section 302 of the Indian Penal Code has been invoked in the FIR. Section 302 stands for murder. So CBI officials are now facing a murder case. They are likely to move the Calcutta High Court. The Calcutta High Court has already allowed a petition on the custodial death after a lawyer had moved the Calcutta High Court after the custodial death was reported. It was the same Calcutta High Court that actually handed over the case to the CBI over apprehensions that the state police and the SIT that had been set up by the state government may not do a good job or a fair job. That apprehension was there, but given the context, given the circumstances, given all of that, the case was handed over to the CBI, and now, of course, the main accused has died in CBI.
Right.